Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover linking liaison. The linking rule. Yewande means that when a final consonant, bachim, is followed by a syllable starting with a vowel, the consonant sound moves over to become the first sound of the next syllable. A bachim is normally pronounced in its own place, but when a vowel, a syllable written with, follows, the bachim slides into that vowel position. This word means Korean, language. Listen.
한국어,
This word means music. Listen.
음악,
This word means the clothes. Subject. Listen.
옷이,
With a double bachim, the first consonant stays as the bachim and only the second consonant moves to the following vowel. This word means I read polite. Listen.
읽어요,
When a particle or ending starting with a vowel attaches to a word with a bachim, the bachim links into that vowel. This word means the flower, object. Listen.
꽃을,
This word means the rice, subject. Listen.
밥이,
This word means to at home. Listen.
집에,
This word means in the daytime. Listen.
낮에,
This word means I sit, polite. Listen.
앉아요,
This word means the price, subject. Listen.
값이,
When the bachim or meets the vowel, it is not plain linking, but palatalization, sounding like or. This word means deliberately. Listen.
굳이,
This word means together. Listen.
같이.
Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
한국어 음악 옷이 읽어요 값이 같이.
The bachim does not link over. Papi stays as. The linking rule is the most fundamental pronunciation rule and the starting point for natural Korean speech. Now, let's practice. Read these out loud before I do.
한국어 음악 옷이 읽어요 꽃을
Great job! Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. Basic principle. Linking of double bachim. Linking before particles and endings. Bachim meeting. Great work! Practice linking, liaison with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorepeg.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover tensification. Tensification, gyang-sho slice, is when plain consonants become tense consonants in certain environments. When the bachim sounds are followed by, those become tense consonants. This word means school. Listen.
학교
This word means restaurant. Listen.
식당
This word means magazine. Listen.
잡지
After or at the end of a verb or adjective stem, a following also becomes tense. This word means to wear. Shoes. Listen.
신다
This word means holding, hugging. Listen.
안고
After a modifier form ending in, a following also becomes tense. This word means able to do. Listen.
할 수
This word means a place to go. Listen.
갈대,
This word means to eat. Listen.
먹다,
This word means as expected. Listen.
역시,
This word means to wash. Here. Listen.
감다,
In Sino-Korean words after the bachim are pronounced tense. This word means development. Listen.
발달,
This word means decision. Listen.
결정,
Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
학교 식당 잡지 신다 발달 결정,
Tense consonants are made short and hard with extra tension in the throat. Tensification is not shown in spelling, so you must apply the rule rather than read letter by letter. Now let's practice. Read these out loud before I do.
학교, 식당, 잡지, 신다, 안고,
Great job! Try them again on your own. Let's recap what you covered today. After stop bachim, after in verb stems, after the future modifier, tensification in Sino-Korean words. Great work! Practice tensification with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorepic.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover nasalization. Nasalization, 비음화, is when a bachim sound changes into a nasal because of a following nasal consonant. Bachim sounds become respectively when followed by or. This word means soup broth. Listen.
국물,
This word means someone receives. Listen.
받는다,
This word means wearing. Listen.
입는,
After the bachim or a following is pronounced as. This word means bus stop. Listen.
정류장,
When follows the bachim, the first becomes and that then turns the preceding bachim into. This word means independence. Listen.
독립,
This word means cooperation. Listen.
협력,
This word means psychology. Listen.
심리,
This word means eating. Listen.
먹는,
This word means only flowers. Listen.
꽃만,
This word means youngest child. Listen.
막내,
In Sino-Korean words, it is very common for after the bachim or to shift to. This word means Jongno-so district. Listen.
종로,
This word means lunar calendar. Listen.
음력,
Here's a summary table. Let's read examples.
국물 받는다 입는 정류장 종로 음력,
Nasalization happens because nasal sounds pull neighboring sounds into the nose. Mastering nasalization lets you correctly pronounce common words like. Now let's practice. Read these out loud before I do.
국물, 받는다, 입는, 정류장, 독립,
Great job! Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. Through, phone, becoming chain nasalization with a row. Sino-Korean after. Great work! Practice nasalization with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorepig.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover lateralization. Lateralization, 原化, is when and meet and the changes to when comes before or comes before the is pronounced as giving a sound. This word means Silla, ancient kingdom. Listen.
신라,
This word means contact. Listen.
연락,
This word means Lunar New Year. Listen.
설날,
Whether the order is or the result is always. This word means flood disaster. Listen.
물난리,
This word means heater stove. Listen.
난로,
In some Sino-Korean words, a morpheme boundary blocks lateralization and the length is pronounced as instead. This word means opinion column. Listen.
의견란,
This word means production volume. Listen.
생산량,
This word means a right. Listen.
권리,
This word means originally. Listen.
원래,
This word means 1 year. Listen.
1년,
Lateralization appears in many common everyday words, so it helps to memorize them as whole sounds. This word means Helleson, mountain. Listen.
한라산,
This word means jump rope. Listen.
줄넘기,
Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
신라 연락 설날 물난리 한라산 권리.
The sound flows smoothly with the tongue tip lightly touching the upper gum. Knowing lateralization helps with Sino-Korean words like and. Now, let's practice. Read these out loud before I do.
신라, 연락, 설날, 물난리, 난로.
Great job! Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. In say, in says to. Both orders apply. Exceptions, in instead. Lateralization in everyday words. Great work! Practice lateralization there with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorepig.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover the consonant either combines with another consonant to make an aspirated sound, or weakens and drops before a vowel. When mates, they merge into aspirated in either order. This word means good. And listen.
좋고,
This word means congratulations. Listen.
축하,
This word means school entrance. Listen.
입학,
When the bachim is followed by a vowel, the is dropped and not pronounced. This word means it is good. Listen.
좋아요,
This word means a lot. Listen.
많이,
This word means I dislike it. Polite. Listen.
싫어요,
When the bachim is followed by the is pronounced as. This word means it's nice, polite. Listen.
좋네요,
This word means putting down. Listen.
놓는,
This word means how. Listen.
어떻게,
This word means eldest brother. Listen.
맏형,
This word means it's okay. Polite. Listen.
괜찮아요.
This word means I put in plate. Listen.
넣어요.
Because the badchim sounds like when follows it aspirates to. This word means I can't do it. Polite. Listen.
못해요.
This word means to be clean. Listen.
깨끗하다.
Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
좋고 축하 입학 좋아요. 많이 못해요.
Aspirated sounds release a strong puff of air. You can feel it on your palm held in front of your mouth. Mastering the rules lets you say everyday phrases like naturally. Now let's practice. Read this out loud before I do.
좋고 축하 입학 좋아요. 많이
Great job. Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. Aspiration, deletion, before, batching meeting. Great work. Practice with native audio and quizzes at karin.mycorepic.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.